friends, today start the third day class. Today discuss about components of computers. Already I put the videos two classes. If you not watch, you watch and learn this. So today start the third day class. Components of computers. So two combinations using these computers: hardware parts one, software parts. Hardware parts means set of we can learn about the parts of computer, hardware parts of the computers. Software means set of instruction. Parts of the computer means physical components. So inner parts: motherboard, memory device, monitors, keyboards. So each part learning is called the hardware. Software means set of the programming instructions called the software. Understood? So computer is a combination of hardware and software. The hardware is the physical component. Note it, physical component of computers. So like whatever things using motherboard, memory device, monitors, keyboard, etc. Okay. So then software means software is a set of programming instruction. Both the hardware and software together is called the computers. Okay. So make the computer system. So yeah, this is the computer system. Whatever process there: monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Okay. Now discuss about the input unit. So the three categories are very important using this computer: input, processing, then output. This is the basic. Okay. So input means what? You give the input to system. Okay. So input is used to feed any form of data to the computer. Input means what? Use any form of frame of the computer which can be stored the memory unit, the further the processing. For example, keyboard and mouse, the two things use and give to the give input to system. Okay. Then is the main part, that is called the central processing unit. Yeah, this is the brain of the computer. So this is very important parts. Okay. CPU is the major component which interpreter and execute the software instruction. Interpreters and executes the software instruction. This is very important line. It is also it's also control the operations of the all others components such as the memory, input and output units. So the both is using the CPU, the input and the output unit. Input and output unit. It accepts the binary data as input. Processing data according to the instruction provide its result is called the output. Input get the binary digits. I already know that binary digits, everything's a machine stored to zeros and one. That is called the binary digits. The CPU has the three components using, which are the control unit, arithmetic unit and logical unit. The three components very important: control unit, arithmetic unit and memory unit. So discuss about the control unit and arithmetic unit and memory unit. Okay. So next video I put this all. If you like this topic, share your friends, then subscribe my channel, support me. So if you want, please comment me.